Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Fatty Daddy with my son, Big Riley Bear. And we have another box opening for you guys. This is called BOXY Charm. You can go to boxycharm.com. It's about $21 a month. It's a monthly product. And according to the website, you get about 4 or 5 full-size products. It is another makeup one. So in Fatty Daddy fashion, we're going to give you a guy's point of view of women products. So let's go ahead and tap into this and see if we can't get into it. Oh, also the quality of this video too, we're trying out several different cameras. Just as you can see from the first one, we did it with our camcorder. This one is actually being recorded from the Note 9. We're not sponsored by Samsung, but we think the video quality is a lot better. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so the first thing that we have in this one is the BOXY Charm Wildflower. I'm not sure if this is like a brochure or what it is. Actually, it's the brochure. It tells you everything that comes in this box, it looks like. And it also has a 30% off 30% off offer with any new filler or filter first luminous found, whatever. I have no idea what this stuff is. But I'll leave the code at the end of the video for you guys. Alright, so let's jump into this box. So, first item we have is a Laura Geller, New York. This is Baked Blush and Brighten. What is this? Tropic Hues. Well, when in doubt, read the brochure, see what it tells you. This one right here, it looks like it says the Laura Geller Bake Blush and Brighten. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben free. I don't know what paraben is. Paraben, and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. $28 for this thing. Why is women's makeup so expensive? Can you guys leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know why this stuff is so expensive?
This is a nice little box. I like this.
It's pretty. I mean, it's colorful.
That looks cool.
So I'm assuming you put this on your cheeks? It's got a little mirror in here so you can see your face, I guess, when you're doing it. I don't know how you guys can do this because I can't like see my... Oh, there you go. I guess you got to be like really close to it. See, you can see yourself in there. Yeah. Alright, so apparently you put this on your cheeks. We'll try this once we go through the rest of the products and see what it does.
It looks like a planet.
It looks like a planet?
Yeah.
It's the planet of makeup. We come in peace. So we'll try that. Alright, so we got some more brushes. I still don't know what the heck half these brushes and this stuff does. So I'm assuming that you... It's by Alamar Cosmetics. It's Oedos brush set made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. So I guess we take these. There's different sizes. Why is there different sizes?
Wait. So
brush effortlessly applies colors to your lids while the fluffy blender. Okay, so it explains it. So you got the flat painter, which I'm assuming is this. Here, let's just take them out of the bag here. So you notice you got 3 different sizes here. By the way, these are 18 bucks. It's Alamar Cosmetics. So you have a big fluffy one. It's super soft. And then you got this little round one, and then you got the flat one. It says the flat one is, I guess, a blender. No, hold on. No, it's not a blender. It is the flat one. You brush effortlessly, applies colors to your lids. What, eyelids? I guess these.
Do you have any of the lids? You're not supposed to stab them.
You got the flat tight liner. The flat. Wait. It says there's multiple flat. This one looks flat. This one looks round. I don't know the difference. And then you got this big super duper brush one here. Anyway, we'll figure it out. We're going to finish the rest of the products first. Alright, so we got... This has got to be what all the ladies put on their faces and their eyes and stuff to make their eyes all colorful. Voila! I'm assuming. I don't know. It's different colors. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. Haha, I know what that is. That goes on your eyes. Right here.
It goes in your eyes.
And up here. Right there. It is hot in this room, guys. So it's made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. It's got 12 different shades. It says that it is satin shades are soft in texture and luxuriously smooth formula. Makes for a blending and long wear. $35 for this. $35 for this. So if you're feeling frisky with your girlfriends, you got Pillow Fight in here. You got Clutch, Flip Out, Silver Spoon, I Spy. You got the Dark Side, so you can join the Siths. Swoop, All Nighter for those ladies who want to go out and have their mojitos with their friends. Nocturnal, and Break Free. So I'm assuming that one of these brushes does. I don't know. We're just gonna try it in a minute. But it's called Nightingale by Pretty Vulgar.
Are you gonna take the plastic thing off the mouth?
Yeah. Yes. We have Roll On Precision Liner. It's called Stroke of Wow. Stroke of Wow by Butter London is create precise ultrafine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. What the heck is this? Roll-on applicator does all the work for you while delivering pitch black pigment that meets even the boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick drying, smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. It's $20. What is it? Let's open it up. I don't know. It's got a little roller on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a roller. Like, what do you do with this? Because, okay, so obviously does that and it gets the stuff on there. And you roll it on your eyes like, oh, okay, whatever. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I'm brave enough for that one yet. That one might be a little out of my league. And, yeah, this one we're going to try on Riley.
Why?
We're trying this one on Riley.
Why did you say that? What is it?
This is Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick.
No.
Yes, it's
You're
happening.
not putting that on
It's
me.
totally happening.
You could put that on yourself.
No, I'm going to try this. Because that's what we got to do.
No, you.
We got to see what the big deal is. Why women do this.
You gave me the worst one.
No, I didn't. What are you talking about? I got to put this in my eye. Or on my eye. Okay. Come here. Let's get all pretty.
No.
Time to get pretty.
No.
Oh, look at it. It doesn't even look that bad. It smells weird. Smell it. Kind of flower. It's like a flowery crayon smell.
Wait.
All right, here. Let's try it on. Come on. Let me do it. Come on. We got to do this.
Put it on yourself.
No, come here. I'm gonna put. All right. If you do it, I'll do it.
It is very pretty.
If you do it, I'll do it. Come here. I promise. Come on.
No.
You do the bottom. The bottom. Come on.
Oh, it's weird.
No. Okay. Well, we all know what lipstick is, guys. We know what it is. He won't let me put it on, and maybe we'll get him to do it in another video. If you want to see him or me put lipstick on, leave a comment in the comment section below, and it can't be from my wife.
Vote hell.
My wife doesn't count.
Yeah, you're voting.
Okay, so we will both try this one though. This is apparently goes on your cheekbones. I don't know which brush to use. I would assume the biggest one. The biggest one is the softest. So I guess you got to do it like really soft. I don't know. It's on there. Here, come here. Your cheeks. Come here, cheekies. Cheekies. What do you do? Just put it on the cheeks and rub it in? Oh, look at them rosy cheeks. Look at me. Actually, I can actually see a difference.
Oh,
Here,
no, duh.
Other side. Think you know pretty. He's my pretty little boy. Let me see. Here, I'll do it too. I'm sweaty. It's probably going to roll off my face. Oh, look. Hold on. This is how they do it, right? They look in the mirror and they're like, oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty.
Again, nothing could make
Pretty.
me beautiful.
I am totally beautiful. Look. Oh, other side. Other
Big
side.
old lie.
Other side. Other side. Did I do it? Did I get it on there? I can't tell.
It's because your hat. You need to take your hat off. You can't see it.
Am I pretty?
Again, Neville.
Okay, I don't really see a difference either. So, anyways, it looks extravagant. I don't know what it's for. I guess it's supposed to make your cheeks all red and look like you got some color to you. I don't know.
Wait, put that on your nose. You'll have a red nose. And
Be like Santa Claus? I know, I got the belly for it, right? You got to get the beard going. All right, so I guess we're not doing the lipstick. Like I said, if you want to see the lipstick, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know that you want him and I to put lipstick on. We're going to get beautified for you guys. This stuff is, it's eyeshadow, it says it is, I guess. Let me make sure again. Yeah, eyeshadow. I don't know what brush to use for this. What do I do? I just take it and, here, come here. I'm going to do a color and you're going to do a color.
Wait. Do you have to close your eyes for this?
But I'm going to do it for you. Let's see. I'm going to get all pretty.
Definitely want.
I'm going to get all... What color do I want? I want to do black. What do I want? You want to do pillow fight?
Black.
What color do you want to do?
I guess that.
You want to do... He wants to be the dark. He wants to join the Siths. He wants the dark side. Close your eyes. Like this. I can see you.
Hello.
Put it on. Hey, it paints. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Come here. Now I know why.
I can't.
Now I know why women. Now I know why women do this. They have fun. It's like an artwork.
I have to do this.
Oh my God, I am so bad at this.
Okay.
Let me see. Oh, you're so pretty. All right, I'm gonna do this color. I'm doing pillow fight because I'm feeling frisky. Hold on. You're not supposed to mix colors, right? So what do you do? How do you clean this off? We'll just use this. What do you do? Do it like something like that? But it's still on there.
Wait, are we still doing me or am I done?
I'm doing this one. I'll see. Here, you want to do it? Put it on me. Try not to jab my eyeballs. Try not to jab my eyeballs.
What do you want? Oh.
Pillow fight.
I mean, put on my glasses for this.
Here, I need... Tina's going to kick my butt for this. Jab my eyeballs.
First, let's take this off.
Here, put it on this eye right here. This one. Be careful. Yeah.
I don't want to stab your eyeball.
Don't stab it then.
Well,
hurry up!
It can't be hard to. Not.
Here.
Oh, that
here, right there.
like a lot. Oh no. This is not gonna be good.
It's not? No? Do I look pretty? I can't see anything.
Oh, you have to close an eye in order to see it.
Do I look pretty? Well, anyway, there you guys go. This is called the... What is it called again? It is called BOXY Charm. It is $21 a month. You get 4... How many products do we get here? We got the Alamar cosmetic brushes. They're 18 bucks by themselves. We got the Laura Geller baked blush and brighten cheek stuff. We got the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow stuff. It's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's got 12 different colors in it. That is 35 bucks. This is $28. We got the lipstick. Like I said again, if you want to see us put lipstick on, comment in the comment section below. This is $19. It's Lorac, Lorac. And then we got this wing stuff, whatever. And I am starting to sweat. It is hot in this room, guys. But $21 a month, BOXYCharm.com. If you are new to the channel and you want to, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe. If you are a female on this channel or if you're a guy who wears makeup and you can give us tips and tricks on what will make this better or you want to see us do something, leave a comment. Other than that, guys, Fatty Daddy sounding out and he has something to say.
What was your favorite part? I know you said it.
My favorite part was putting the makeup on your face.
My favorite part was taking the thing off the mirror.
So there you go. Easily amused, taking the plastic off of the mirror. But hope you guys enjoyed. Fatty Daddy signing off with his son Riley. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.